Well, what I'd say it's going to continue in the same kind of pattern it is at the moment of finding interesting ideas that work well in other languages and bringing them in together. What we see is there are strong language constructs, but there's also a big bias towards readability and simplicity. You can do all kinds of weird and wonderful things in your PHP code and it'll work. It might not be the most readable, but we can see small things. For example, like in the new version of HT, very, very sick here, but there are a bunch of functions with array first, array last, simple names like that, which in the past you had to remember, is it reset? Is it certain names that weren't particularly clear from what they're for legacy reasons? So there's a little bit of time inputting to, okay, let's make this just a little bit nicer and a little bit easier for people who have to look at this all day, to spare them a few mental hoops and make things a little bit easier. So I think there's kind of two things going on in PHP. There's the drive to make things synchronous, make things easier, more accessible. The array functions, the pipe operator is another good example of making your code much more readable. Well, then there's a different kind of battle going on looking at the larger language structures and features that are in Java or the C# or whatever it is as arguing as to whether they should come in or not. It's a really interesting space. I think PHP is showing it's thriving, it's going to continue to thrive, and it's exciting to see where it's going to go next.